So this is my Pixel 6 Pro. I actually broke the glass in the front. I dropped it on the sink. I was brushing my teeth and I dropped it on the sink. I didn't even try to look at the screen because I would never thought that it was gonna break, because the drop was ridiculous close. It wasn't even a drop. It didn't even fall to the floor, but it hit it right there on the edge, so the screen broke. So I went to ifixit.com because everybody wanna charge me 400 and something, and they told me the fingerprint was not gonna work. So I took my chances and I went to ifixit.com and I got this screen. I got the screen, I put it on, and it was working perfect for 3 weeks. I'm a tow truck driver, and the phone get beat up a lot. But let's go back to, this is my other work phone, Pixel 5, and that's still the factory screen. I don't break phones, but I'm gonna guess because this one got that edge on the side, it's not. But as you can see, the screen doesn't look cracked nowhere. I do put it on my pocket. Like I said, it does get beat up a lot. Out of nowhere, this line came up and the whole phone on this side get dark. Well, it get dark, this not usable no more. I sent an email to ifixit. I don't expect them to give me another screen because I guess that's how life is. But look how it's going darker already. Even the line on the top is going darker on that side. If I put it on bright, so that's why I got it like right here. But it's done already. Look, it's that's the time right there. Everything is black. This Pixel 6 Pro has been one of the worst phone I ever had. And I did a mistake. I didn't do a mistake. I just got the Pixel 7, but I didn't get the 7 Pro because of the edge screen. I want a flat screen. They should make this Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro with the same memory RAM. At least everything else I understand, because it doesn't make no sense. If you get a smaller one, I understand that you're getting a smaller one, but the Pro should not be on hardware. It should be on, you're getting a smaller one, maybe you take the camera away. I don't know. I don't think memory RAM is $300. Should be the same, because if I want something with better RAM, I have to get this edge screen that I don't want. I really don't want. I got this one because I thought more RAM, it was gonna last longer at some point. Yeah, I don't know why, because this Pixel 5 is being okay. It works pretty good. No complaints at all. It's not perfect, but I don't have no complaints. Flat screen. Phone still in perfect condition. If I want to see something, I have to look at my watch, because right now I cannot even see it right there. So yeah, this is how bad my Pixel 6 is experience. It's been the screen was working. I'm not saying they messed it up, boss. but maybe it's in perfect condition. Why is doing all that glitchiness and stuff? I did the Google Pixel 2. It deleted my whole phone. It deleted my phone. I thought it was gonna be worth it to restart my phone so I could get the fingerprint working, because that's what people were saying, just use the tool. But this is what I get. Like if I go to settings, I don't know if I could go to settings, and I go to, I cannot even read it no more. It's not readable. I cannot read that no more. Sometimes I shut it off and wait a minute. And anyways, but let's see what happened. It's not back, it's still glitchy because it's supposed to be security update, fingerprint or what? Obscurity. I forgot what I was gonna do. I was gonna check for the fingerprint, but it's glitching again already. Well, it's not, I don't think it's the phone. Well, I don't know. It could be the phone. No, I don't think it's the phone. I think I did a good job putting it together. It was working perfect. No issues. Except for the fingerprint. I don't see nothing no more. I really like this case. If you work in the sun like I do and stuff like that, you have to take the phone out and clean it all the time. It's impossible to deal with this. I can barely read it. That's it. So my new screen that I put there a month ago is done already. I may buy another one from them. I may wait at least a week. I sent them an email, but I don't know if they're gonna respond. I got this video right here. I'm gonna put it on YouTube, do a link so I could send it to them to see what they say about this. If they don't say nothing, I have to get another one no matter what, another screen, because I'm still making payments on this one. Alright.